In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to log out of your Udemy account. Whether you're finishing a study session or switching accounts, logging out properly keeps your information secure. Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser and search for Udemy. Click on the official website, and once the homepage opens, go ahead and log in if you haven't already. You can sign in using your email and password or with a single sign-on option like Google. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon or initials. Click on it to open the account menu. In this drop-down, select Logout. The moment you click it, Udemy will sign you out securely. Before logging out, make sure your work or course progress is saved. Udemy usually saves everything automatically, but it's always smart to double check if you've been taking notes or making updates. And that's it. You have successfully logged out of Udemy in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and check out our other quick guides for more helpful tips.